name's Levin. I've been the service manager here at Dublin Volkswagen about 6.5 years. Been with Volkswagen about 7.5. Came from a Toyota dealership where I was an advisor there for about 8 years. Just kind of throughout my family, cars have always kind of revolved around us, and just kind of started in like the parts business when I was a teenager, just going into a Grand Auto back then, buying a part for my car, and literally got offered a job there. I'd say the biggest focus is retention, and then normal customer pay growth. I feel we've gotten a lot of business, like customers maybe we haven't seen in years, or new clients that maybe have moved to the area that weren't really familiar with us to come and give us an opportunity, which has been nice. I've been able to take someone that was inactive or a prospect and make them an active customer of ours, which has really been important, especially after the whole diesel situation of the last few years. So every customer really, really counts.